useful.
Slavery in Saint-Domingue succeeded too on a foundation of relentless terror. Slave owner Stanislas Saint-Fourage explained it as rational management.
Slow punishments make a greater impression than quick or violent ones. Rather than 50 lashes administered in 5 minutes, 25 lashes of the whip administered in a quarter of an hour. This is far more likely to make an impression.
The accounts about the tortures inflicted on slaves are often horrifying. Legs cut off or arms cut off, amputations for runaways, rubbing hot powder or pepper and so forth into the wounds. Slaves actually hung and left to die. You can kind of imagine that this kind of world in which essentially human life was given so little value that these tortures